everyone, welcome to Mercy. My name is Carla and I'm an online student here at Mercy. I'm going to share some tips and tricks for online education success. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're blocking off time in your schedule for your online classes. Whether or not you meet virtually, you want to make sure you're giving yourself a few hours a week to do the work that needs to be done or study for an exam or whatever it needs to be. Second, make sure you're writing to-do lists. To-do lists help you stay on top of your coursework because you write what you need to do, when you need to do it by, and you can cross it off as you finish. Third, know how to contact your professors. Write down their email, keep it somewhere safe, and whenever you have a question, you can always contact them and get a response as soon as possible. Fourth, make a group chat with classmates. On the first day of class, ask some people for their phone numbers, make a group chat. This way you always have someone to talk to, whether you were absent from class and need the notes, or you need some extra help on an assignment, or students can also ask you for help when they need it. Fifth, you want to make sure that you make yourself due dates. Sometimes professors will be lenient with due dates, but if you have 10 things due at the end of the month, it might make more sense for you to give yourself different due dates. Say it be the 15th of the month. This way you're not waiting for the end of the month and everything crams up and it gets very hard. Sixth, avoid distractions. Find a place in your home where you are able to work quietly and you can focus on your class and your work without distractions, whether it be in the kitchen, outside, or not even in your home. If you have to go to the library, whatever works best for you so you can be successful in your online class. And lastly, take notes during your online classes. It might seem like you don't need to because everything is on your computer for you, but writing down notes makes us better students. It makes us more organized, and it helps us stay on top of all our work. This way, when we have questions during an assignment or when we're studying for an exam, we have all our notes right there for us. I wish you all luck.